Okay.
Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion. Just my kind of hit on repeat. Destined by the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, sweet emotion. 'Cause every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up where I'm going. I know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always highlights. I love the way we vibe. You're like a centerfold. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion.
Good morning, everyone. Today is officially Monday, start of the week. So basically today we're cleaning, getting stuff ready for the open home, and we've got to go down to Byron. My sister's got an appointment, and me and Mum are going to go around Byron while she's in the appointment. We're going to go to Woolworths, get a few things, and then I think we're going for a bit of a drive down from Byron because my sister's catching up with someone there. And then, yeah, basically then we've got the open home this afternoon, which we're fingers crossed about. We'll see what happens.
Just my kind of heat, keep it on repeat. Destined by the motion, loving this devotion. Ooh, that sugar. Make a move, baby, you got nothing to lose. Give me that, give me that, give me that good reaction. Gonna make it right, little like an offer I can't refuse. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make that high. All that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat. Destined by the motion, loving this. Ooh, that sugar Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion. Just my kind of heat. Destined by the motion, loving this devotion. Ooh, that sugar, just my kind of heat. Ooh, that sugar, all that good emotion. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion. Just my kind of hit on repeat. Destined by the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, live it up, live it up, sweet emotion.
Fucking cool in here. It's so hot in there.
Is it?
Know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always highlights. I love the way we vibe. You're like a centerfold. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat. Destined by the motion, love
just got back from Pack Fair. We were up at Pack Fair, and because I got a new bag, just sort of a new black bag, because I needed one to fit more of my stuff in there. When we were up there, we went into Zara, and I'm gonna show you guys. I got 2 new, like, I suppose like top shirts sort of thing. So this is the first one. It's this nice like green, it's got shoulder pads, long sleeve pattern shirt. It's actually not probably showing up on camera, but it's more fluoro in real life. I had a big sale going on, so I got it all like under half price. And then I also got this cute like pink and green vest, which you can button up, but I sort of don't mind it open, I guess, with like a white t-shirt or a white singlet underneath. So I've just been mucking around with those, but that was basically what we got at Pack Fair. So super excited about all that. So it's 7:30 in the morning on a Wednesday. And we're currently going down to pick up my sister. It's about an hour's drive. We're going down to pick her up, and I'm absolutely knackered. Last night, me and Mum, we stayed up and we watched all 3 shows, like Math, Survivor, Australian Idol. So I'm tired, but it'll be fine. I'll wake up. And Mum's just gonna go fill petrol, and she's grabbing pea plates because I'm gonna drive this on the way back, and then my mum's gonna go with my sister in the other car. So yeah, it's about an hour's drive, and me and Mum have just chucked on a bit of Garth Brooks and just going.
Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of beat. Destined by the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up where I'm going. I know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe, you're like a centerfold. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that is my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, destined by the motion, loving this devotion. Ooh, that sugar. Action. Make a move, baby, you got nothing to lose. Give me that good reaction. Gonna make it right, little like an offer I can't refuse. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I vibe, you're like a centerfold. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat.
We just finished at the horses, and it is so hot outside. It's like 31 degrees now, and I think in like another hour it's gonna hit 35. So it is an absolute stinker. But we just finished up at the horses, gave them some carrots, went out to them and saw them, and pretty sure we're just gonna have a pool day for the rest of the day because it's so hot. We have all the fans going and it's boiling. So we're gonna go jump in the pool and have a swim. Cool. That feels 10 times better.